So I'm gonna be going to Keshi concert. Woo! Keshi is one of like my favorite artists, so I have this concert tomorrow. But I'm gonna practice getting ready because I know when the day comes, I'm just gonna be like, what am I gonna do? Which is tomorrow. What am I talking about? So I already have like my setup here ready. This is gonna be like a get ready with me video. As you guys know, I don't really do my makeup a lot. So this is not really like an advisory video or like tutorial like how to do your makeups. Just get ready with me. Let's get this started. I want to like do like a simple like makeup tutorial. I saw this TikTok, a smoky eyeshadow, I guess you can say. I want to do like kind of like pink eyeshadow because like I love pink eyeshadow. I'm just like kind of like combine those two ideas together. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I found my concealer. It's right here. I'm just gonna start with concealer. I normally start with concealer. I don't really wear foundation because I don't know how, and also because I think it might be bad for my skin. How much I'm gonna put on. And then I'm gonna use this. I have like a mirror right here that I'm looking at. Alright, now that I have my concealer on, I am gonna go with my clear brow gel and just like comb my eyebrows. Gonna comb my eyebrows. I don't even know if I'm doing this right, but yeah. The next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna put this e.l.f. face primer on my face. Not on my face, but like on my my eyeballs. My eyelids. And we're gonna put it right there. My eyeballs. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm not used to like filming these tutorials. I can't believe I said that. That's so funny. The reason why I'm doing like a video like this is because like I usually like to watch videos like these because I don't know, it just feels really nice. It feels like I'm talking to like, I'm not talking, but like I'm like with like a friend or like a older sister or something like that, and it just feels really nice. If you do like get ready with me videos, I'll put some in the suggestions of like my favorite YouTubers that I like to watch. I don't know if like I'm gonna continue doing this. I just kind of felt like in the mood because you know I'm getting ready for like a concert and I'm so excited. Okay, so I primed my eyelid, and then next we're gonna go with Colourpop's palette, their Colourpop palette called Sweet Talk, but I'm gonna put like my basic eyeshadow on first. I am sweating. It is hot in my room. There's like no AC at my house, so I had to get like a portable AC, and it's like doing like a little bit, but you know it's still so hot in my room. But I can't record with the AC on because it'll just here. Let me just here. This is what it will sound like. And it's like so loud, and I do not want that in the background of like my videos. It's just so loud that you guys can barely hear me. I have to like scream over the AC just for you guys to like hear me, and I don't want to do that. So I like take little breaks here and there so I can get some air. But yeah, okay, I'm just gonna take that off. Anyways, okay. So I'm gonna go with the color on this palette called Catch Me. So like the color can like pop a little bit. I feel like when I put it on blankly, like you can't really see it. I'm watching like this tutorial also just to like guide me. I'll link that below as well. I'm gonna use Dream Maker. Okay, so the next shadow that we're gonna use is Feel Free. I'm just following this tutorial at this point, and we're gonna just use the tip of the brush. This is the only brush I have. I have a lot of brushes, but this is my favorite brush. It's the e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. So what she's doing is just basically she's using the edge of the brush and just going at the end of the crease and just blending that in. This part I like struggle with the most because I feel like I'm just smudging everything together. I feel like I'm messing up, but it's whatever. You know, at the end of the day, it's makeup, and if I like it, then that's all that matters. It never comes out like accurately because I noticed like my eye, it's different from the other eye. If that makes any sense. Okay, I think I did it. Okay, so instead of the next eyeshadow that she suggests, which is side to side, I'm actually gonna go with eyeshadow Melody instead and put that over the middle of my eye. It looks so pretty like in person. I've never done it like this dramatically. I usually just like use one eyeshadow and I'm just like, okay, bye. And that's it, let's go. And then put mascara and that's it. And I don't know, this is really pretty. I should probably do more like trying makeup tutorials videos. So I put the makeup on, and then the next I'm gonna go with like the TikTok video for my eyeliner and my mascara. Okay, what this girl does, she puts like eyeshadow to make it be the eyeliner. I've tried that one time before and I failed, so I'm gonna try and do that with like the eyeliner pencil. I don't know if that will make any difference. Let's see. I guess we'll see. You guys are gonna watch me struggle putting on eyeliner. Okay, so this is what the eyeshadow looks like. The camera doesn't do like the eyeshadow justice because I'm like looking into the mirror, I'm just like, it's so pretty. This is the 𝑒.𝑙𝑓 eyeliner pencil. I'm hoping that I'll do okay with this. This is the best that I can do. I'm gonna try to do the other eye. I'm scared for my life, but we're gonna try to do it. So the eyes look like not the same to one another. I can't really fix it, but I think it looks okay. I tried my best, you know, and it's what I gotta work with, but this is it. We're going to put mascara on, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna curl my lashes with a curling eye curler. It was a gift, so it's called KUSH mascara, and we're just gonna use it. The next thing that she does is she gets her like eyeliner, but it's like the pen one. This one is Physicians Formula. I like this one because it's smooth. We're gonna try to do that, like make like a wing on the inner eye. My eyeliner just like completely melted off because of how sweaty I am. I'm gonna probably go over it with this eyeliner. This looks like a mess, guys. Oh my god, I'm probably just gonna wear mascara. Okay, guys. This is what it looks like. This is the best I can do. This is so funny. It looks so good on camera, but like in person, I feel like it's just like, maybe I'm just being a little self-conscious. I don't like it that much, so I'm gonna just take out the eyeliner and just leave the mascara. Alright guys, this is just gonna be the finished look. I'm not gonna do that crazy eyeliner look because I can't. It doesn't look good on me, so this is it. I'll show you guys a more up-close video clip, and then I'm gonna move on into my outfits. Okay, let's go. It's like an orange tone. I don't know if I want to go with that, so I might change my makeup tomorrow. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So it's like later in the day. I hope you guys like looking at the outfits. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be wearing those outfits that I suggested. Most likely I'll probably just wear this outfit because I'm in love with the cottagecore like vibe that's going on. Like a dark grunge cottagecore vibe, so I might most likely go with that one. I didn't do my hair, but most likely I'm going to do my hair like curly like this. It is gonna be tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to film everything because it's gonna be tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to film everything because it's gonna be hectic.